Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers, you know I'm appreciating you. New viewers, become subscribers so you get these awesome recipes like tacos with chicken deep fried. So kind of call them a taquito, if you will, but it's not going to be open-ended. Jumping right in, I got a pound and 0.6, so a little over a pound and a half of just regular chicken breast, boneless, skinless, cut into small pieces. In my skillet, I've got 4 tablespoons of chicken stock. I'm going to turn this on to about a 5, so right about a medium heat on my stove. And put this straight into there and let that warm up. In addition to that, on my other plate, I have half a cup of chopped yellow onion and 2 tablespoons of fresh garlic, minced garlic rather. That's going to go in. And I'm going to say a teaspoon, but it probably won't even be that much. Just a quick of kosher salt. Because we're going to come back and get this with some taco seasoning. And the same thing with the pepper. Just a quick toss. So I'd be surprised if that was actually a quarter of a teaspoon. Again, it's just to get it a little flavor while we cook. We're going to brown this up. Probably take about 5 minutes over the medium heat. We'll see you in that. All right, you can see that my chicken is definitely cooked, and I did not let it sit to the point where it's browning. There's no need for that because we're making tacos out of this. I'm going to be a little lazy today and just use a pre-made taco mix. Doesn't matter what brand. You can use a taco sauce or a taco powder, or you can do like I've done in some of my other videos and actually just make the sauce from scratch. This package calls for 2/3 water, but I'm using chicken stock because I want to keep that flavor. I want to keep my chicken as moist as possible. So it's 2/3 cup water with the 1 packet of seasoning. It looks like an awful lot of water. That's okay. I'm going to let this cook down until it's almost gone, and it'll give us a nice coating on there. Still at the 5. So I'm going to guess about 4 or 5 minutes, and this should be thickened up and ready to start making our fried tacos. See you then. You can see that this is definitely thickened up, which is exactly what I want. So I'm just going to turn this down to low and let that sit for a second. Let's talk about what we're going to be putting together here. Flour tortillas. Typically, taquitos are corn tortillas, but I don't like corn tortillas all that much. Neither does my family. So we're going to go with flour tortillas. These are 8-inch round, and we got some toothpicks and a little bit of cheese. All right, so we're going to take a scoop of the filling. Get a decent scoop in here, good Lord. Okay, not a ton, but we also don't want too little. All right, this is Mexican blend cheese. Just a little bit on there. Okay, maybe a tablespoon worth. And then we're just gonna roll and kind of snug it up, and then just make sure you give it a good push so that you get that fold. You want to seal it up. Again, taquitos are normally open on the end, but I just like to seal it up because I think it gives it a better crunch and it keeps it nice and moist inside. Toothpick on this end to hold it together, and that's all this is doing, is holding it together. Okay, that's all there is to it, guys. I've got 8 of these together, and you're going to vary. It could probably go 8 to 10 depending on how much you try to jam into them. I've got, this is just regular canola oil, but you can use peanut oil, whatever oil floats your boat. I'm at a 7, and I'm going to lay these in. Okay, just lay it in gently. 2 minutes, maybe 3, and you'll see that this is going to brown right up quick. See, it's already starting to brown, so 2 minutes, and we'll be done, and then I'll start doing the rest of them. There you go, guys. There's 8 fried tacos, or pretty big taquitos, since it's supposed to be small taco. I left these out so that we don't let people eat them, and you don't want to bite into a toothpick. No bueno. I'm serving this with a little bit of salsa and some sour cream.
This is great. This is awesome, and it's fantastic, and it's great. Because see all that in there? But look, crunchiness is like a chip.
You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Let me know what you put inside your fried tacos. or taquitos, and check back for the next video. Otherwise, take care. Peace.